So let me get this straight. I'm supposed to be able to like co-wash and detangle this in 25 minutes or less. Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to The Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. You can hit the red subscribe button below for more videos like this one, and of course you can hit the bell to be notified every single time I upload video. Why not? It's free, costs you nothing. You get lots of great natural hair content for no cost to you whatsoever. And of course, if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. Yes, today's video we are going to be testing out Naptural85's 25-minute or less co-wash and detangle. Now this has been a requested video. I did ask you guys on my community tab if you want to see another I tried such and such's hair tutorial, and you said yes, you wanted to see another one. So here we are. My hair looks wild. It hasn't been washed in a few weeks. Don't judge me, don't judge me, it happens. Yeah, so this is the perfect time to test out whether this really works. So let's get going. So I've got almost everything that she said that you need. The only thing that's slightly different for me is the conditioner situation. I've got a little bit left in this bottle of the Cantu Hydrating Cream Conditioner. This has a little tiny bit left in that one. And I have another bottle which has a little bit left in the bottom as well. Waste not, want not. I also have a little bit left of this Giovanni Smooth as Silk Deeper Moisture Conditioner. La Pièce de Résistance. I have gone for this conditioner right here. The Nunaat Brazilian Pataua Oil Hydration Plus Moisturising Conditioner. Slip for days. A massive tub of coconut oil. I've got a link for this below if you want to know where I got it from.
Meanwhile, I'm getting
I need some Vaseline. My lip is dry. Hold on. That's better. I can't be standing for 25 minutes with dry lips. It's not cool.
I start out by parting my hair in two sections. Bunning one half out of the way. Coconut oil.
Whoa.
I coat the entire section in coconut oil, being very generous. So I'm just applying this on my hair while dry and working it in. This is going to start loosening the tangles and moisturizing the hair. Oh,
whoops, I forgot the timer. It is now 23:07. I should be done by 23:32. That's the time limit. Okay. Whoops. Tie that side up. What?
Coconut oil. Do it up. I coat the entire section in coconut oil, being very generous.
Okay.
So I'm just applying this on my hair while dry and working it in. This is going to start loosening the tangles and moisturizing the hair.
Oh no, some of this fell down.
Make sure every strand is coated from top to bottom, inside and out.
Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, crap. Okay.
When all your hair is coated, grab your conditioner of choice and do the same thing. Applying it generously all over the section.
Slow down, please. Slow down.
And you got to make sure the entire section is coated for this to work. So don't be shy. And use a cheap conditioner. And just for future reference, hair in a twist out will take less time.
I need to really melt this in my hands
than hair in a wash and go steam.
Okay.
So you can already see the length of my hair coming back into that section from all the product loosening the tangles. When it's all coated, twist the section.
Okay, hang on. Pause. Nobody didn't tell me it was gonna start running down my face. Put some more of this in the middle. I think this works better if it's summertime because the coconut oil is really going to melt in your hands. Because if this was winter, I would be having more problems with this. 3 minutes of my time is already done, which means I only got like 5 minutes per side. I don't know. Is this going to work? I really need to slap this on. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I'm working it into the end because I've got some serious tangles at the end, okay? I do love this conditioner though. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Got some slip going on. That's good. It's making a difference already though. My hair's feeling a lot softer. Oh my gosh, come on. Can I take this up off with this? Nope. More. Need more. This in the back. Okay, so that's pretty much through. Let's have some bits are still dry. We're gonna need some more. Ooh, I'm switching to the green. Ooh, ooh, slip. Ooh, this is good. Okay, I'm liking this already. That's that side done. Oh, why have I got coconut oil on my floor? Just working that in. Itchy. Now I'm going in with the conditioner. Here we go. A ton in my hand. Slapping some on top. Ooh. This conditioner is making all the difference though. And I think that we're pretty much done. Alright, Natural85, what do I do now?
Your favorite hair sealant. I use my DIY hair and body oil.
Okay, I've got macadamia nut oil.
Which I put in a spray bottle.
I've got a spray bottle.
Comb, our detangling weapon of choice.
Okay.
Alright guys, you ready? Start the clock. Okay. Starting with that very first section, remove the ribbon tie. I rinse out the coconut oil and conditioner under the running water while finger detangle.
Okay, so now the difference between her method and my method is that I'm actually just going to use my spray bottle outside of the shower. I don't know if I'm going to regret this, but setting everything up in my shower is a long process. It's now 23:19 and I stopped putting the stuff in my hair at 23:17. So that was already 10 minutes. So that means I have 15 minutes left. Okay, 23:20 it is. Okay, let's go. She finger detangles, and then after that, which you can see I'm just separating my hair with my fingers, which is nice so far actually, it's not so bad.
Now this is when it's great to have a shower mirror. Grab your wide tooth comb.
Oh, she's put more conditioner in. Okay, hold on.
Section from bottom to top.
Okay, hang on.
Now because my hair was in an old wash and go, I needed to create two sections to do this. But if my hair was in a twist out, I could easily comb through the entire section. But I wanted to show you this technique on my most tangled hair so you can see it works well. In and cleansing the scalp. Gently comb the hair out from ends to roots,
snap.
bottom to top.
It took me 5 minutes to just do this bit. We are on this section here. This section is so thick though, like, oh my gosh, help. 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 More conditioner. I have a whole section here that just, the tangles are just like, no Mary, we're not moving. Can you see the levels of effort on my face? She did it in massive sections. I can't deal with them big sections like that. My hair is just like, no, I can't do that. My roots are still tangled, you know. Wow, oh my god, my neck. Oh, snap. Oh, help. Down here though, oh my gosh, I thought I can't comb through that section already. So how comes it's tangled again? Basically, this section here is detangled as much as I think it's going to be detangled for now. 23:41. So safe to say, so far, basically this was a fail. I was trying to do a money and water saving method, but clearly this was a bit of a fail. Put it on me. Put it on me. Red hot cherry kiss. Come on, baby, lay right on my lips. Ice cold, fabulous, so fast, so clean, can you handle it? Smooth tight. Now this was quick. I know what I did wrong. I started detangling my hair from the front last time, and that was the worst idea. Because I never detangle my hair from the front to start off with. I always start detangling from the back. This literally took me like 2 minutes to do. That was literally like 3 or 4 minutes. Done. Two minutes. Literally 2 minutes. Wow. This is more like what I thought this was gonna be. 23:54, 11:54 p.m. This section of my hair was way easier to detangle than this section. Now, in terms of the 25 minutes, I feel like this was a fail. Of course, I changed the method from Naptural85's method a bit, but what I can say is, if your hair is like mine and you want to try this method, I would recommend a couple of things. For me, I always detangle my hair from the back coming to the front. For some reason on this side, I guess because I was rushing, I was like, okay, I'm just going to detangle from the front and start going back. And also because she did hers in such large sections, so I was like, oh, let me just try the large section. No, that didn't work for me. What worked for me was parting my hair with my fingers, then spraying each individual section with a ton of water and just working it through with my fingers, adding conditioner, working that through with my fingers, then doing finger detangling and then combing through. And that literally took me like only 2 to 3 minutes per section. She tied her hair up in hair ties and stuff. I personally just prefer to twist my hair because it just works better for me, and I think that's what I'm gonna try to do next time I try this method. Would you like to see another video of me trying this again? Let me know in the comments below. So I hope that you enjoyed this video with me with, you know, like conditioner and coconut oil everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a very big thumbs up below. Comment below. I'd like to know who's tried this, and if you did it in 25 minutes, I want to know. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on The Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.